2, here, let's go back.
Hey ARK fans, this is ARK Daily in 5 minutes or less. Today we have Feb 19th edition. A lot of new positions added, including the TradeDesk, Baidu. Small positions added, the usual suspects, Nano Dimensions, Tesla, Bitcoin. And Honeywell almost removed. We'll go over the numbers. Splunk continues to be removed. But the big info today, the big news today is they added a new company called VUZI, which is a smart glass company. It was highlighted by various other YouTubers, including Dead Inside, Richard Allen, and various others, I think. But we'll go over it in a bit. A like and subscribe would be remarkable. Thank you so much for that, because this is a new channel and that helps me immensely. Stay tuned for more.
Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be a show. Don't act like you don't know.
Hey, welcome back. This is ARK Summary. So at the high level, we always take a look at market value. It's up 2.6% to 60.8 billion. Much better day today in the market. A lot of green stocks there, hence taking the overall value to the highest ever since I've been recording, 60.8 billion. Looks like a new company was added, like we discussed, VUZI. So we'll take a look at how big that position is in a bit. In terms of ETFs, ARK Innovation continues to be the maximum, followed by genomics, followed by next generation web, fintech, robotics, print, and Israel. We all know there will be a new one added to this pie, which is space ETF. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully, I'll be the first one to break the news in terms of the total weightage in this pie chart for it. Tesla continues to dominate, 6.1%. If you look at it, they keep on adding it no matter how the stock price is. Stock price went down further a little bit, looks like today, but they continue to add more and more to it. Super bullish on it, looks like. Teladoc, similarly, the stock price went up today, back to normal, looks like, and then they still keep on adding more and more to that. So this is the diversification, 265 companies there. But looks like one of the companies was almost removed today. One new company added and one almost removed. So let's take a look at biggest moves. The big in terms of number of shares added, I have a filter of 5% today. So the biggest one is TradeDesk. A lot of shares added there, 25% more, taking the total to 0.1 million. This is rounded value, obviously. And then the stock price increased too. So a lot of shares added there. Next was Intuitive, where they added even more shares there. The stock price went down, so it looks like they are they're buying the dip. Experience Investment Corp. I'll just hover over all of these so you can see the trends. Viva Systems. This again, a big jump yesterday. Also, I think it popped up a big jump there in shares count. Then you have CM Life Sciences. The stock price went down. They bought the dip. Teledyne Technologies. Again, they keep on buying that. Unity Software. The ones that is removed is Splunk, which we know they have been removing the stocks since past 3-4 days. Oh, looks like since ever, actually, since the time I've been recording. It's downward trend. Very few stock left right now. So if you look at the first date, it was 1.5 million, January 24th, looks like, and then February 18th or 19th, it's gone down to 0.5 million. So very few left there. Stock price is zigzagging roller coaster. And then Honeywell almost completely removed. Look at that. I don't know what information they have, but looks like they completely removed it. Almost completely removed it. I won't be surprised if it pops up tomorrow also, and where they remove a lot of it. Now let's take a look at others, which is the biggest move by dollars. So Baidu, they keep buying more and more. The stock price bounced back, and hence it looks like it has the biggest move by dollar. Teladoc, again, the stock price bounced back, but they bought more. Still bought more. Roku, again, the stock price bounced back. So you'll see a lot of such bounce backs today, because yesterday was completely red. So there will be some bounce back. Look at this one is also, I'll hover over some of these. You'll see a U curve at the end of the stock price line trend for most of them. It's like, yeah, yes, again bouncing back, again bouncing back, bouncing back. This one was already up, again bouncing back a little bit. So a lot of share stock price trend line, as you can see, has a U in the end. So Palantir bouncing back. This was the one that made news yesterday. They more than doubled their position. Then you have Bitcoin. Bitcoin also kind of bouncing back, and they bought more Bitcoin. Silvergate bouncing back. TradeDesk bouncing back. Twilio is the only one that stock price went down. There could be others, but this is the threshold that I have right now. That 25 million. There could be others which are in this. So if I decrease this threshold to 20, you'll see more and more pop up. But in order for this video, we keep it to a minimum. To discuss the minimum. In terms of new company, let's go over it. VUZI. So that's a smart glass company, 0.3 million shares. This is rounded up. Exact number would probably be less or more, I don't know. But 0.3 million, market value of 5 million, and stock price 17.3. So that's the new company. And as we always do, we'll go over Nano Dimension quickly because that's everybody's favorite. Let's go over that. Let's see the trend. Nano Dimensions. So no matter what happens to the stock price, they just keep buying. So again, they bought some 1.4% of the shares. Now they are at 14.2 million. The stock price went up from 13.6 to 13.9, looks like, and that's it. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. Shout out to people who have inspired me, and a like and subscribe and comment on this, please. That helps me immensely. Thank you so much. Until next time.